All right, let's continue our ab series. So with our spine corrector, we're gonna do scissors and bicycle. So you're gonna get into the same position as rollover. So you're gonna face away the arc, pressing your hands onto the side, start to shimmy back, pushing from the feet, finding your feet onto the step to help continue not compressing into the neck. Feeling your belly connect into that arc. From here, you're gonna bring one leg up at a time into your tabletop, feeling those ribs get heavier into the arc. Feeling that connection, imprint that spine against the arc barrel. From here, we're gonna straighten our legs up to sky. Feel that reach. One leg lowers into your scissor, finding the opposition, squeeze your belly, and then switch. Single straight leg stretch, finding the opposition. As the flexibility starts to lengthen in your client, they can start to reach that leg a little bit lower. Good. Getting that stretch, not collapsing in the low back. Let's do 2 more. Good. From here, we're gonna reach our right leg down toward the step, bending at the knee into bicycle. You can even tap it and then bring it through an opposition, getting this huge bicycle motion. Awesome, Neil. Feeling your belly maybe connect a little bit more when the knee comes into the chest. Awesome. Let's do 2 more like that, right and left. Inhale and exhale. Good, not letting the shoulders hike up, finding that length through the spine. Bringing both legs together at the top, bending at your knee, finding the arc, pushing into the feet, pushing and shimmying back to dismount. Rolling to your side, sitting up tall. And that's bicycle and single straight leg stretch or scissors.